Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Webflow to Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to click here on the bottom left hand side. You are going to go to settings. From here you're going to choose connectors and you are going to select browse connectors. You are going to find Webflow using the search bar. You're going to select the tool, and all you have to do really is to click here on connect, and you are going to sign in. You're going to authorize the connection, and that's how easy it is to connect Webflow with Claude. Now, before you get started, you can pay attention here under tools. So here Claude is giving you a list of everything that it can do together with Webflow. So you can see here options like Ask Webflow AI, Data CMS tool, Asset tool, Element tool, and so forth. These options are not very descriptive, so it is better to have a conversation with Claude, ask Claude what all of these things mean, how we can work together with Webflow, and what else it can do other than all the tools that you see here listed in the connector. So that's all for this video. That's how easy it is to connect Claude with Webflow. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.